Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cream keychain, easy method. Begin by gathering silicone clay, resin, pigment, charm, keyring, and basic tools on a clean work surface. Measure small amounts to control texture and cure time. Mix pigments thoroughly for consistent color, then add fine details like sprinkles or glitter for personality. Cure according to resin instructions and attach hardware securely for a durable, wearable charm. Warm your clay between fingers until it is flexible and easy to shape, then load a small amount into a piping tip or improvised cone. Pipe gentle swirls onto a silicone mat, building layers for depth and letting each thin layer settle slightly. Add tiny decorative elements like beads or glitter while the surface is tacky. Finish by smoothing edges and ensuring the base is flat for stable curing and attachment. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more crafty tutorials. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is great for keeping your car fresh when you transport resin or clay projects, and it makes a funny contrast to sweet cream keychains. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare resin by measuring resin and hardener accurately and mixing slowly to minimize bubbles and heat. Pour a thin clear layer over the clay swirl to seal and embed tiny charms, then use a toothpick or heat tool to pop any rising bubbles. Allow full cure on a level surface, then sand rough edges gently and apply a final gloss coat for a durable, shiny finish that resists wear and keeps your keychain looking fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.